presents. Come here to us.
You like the video? Sylvie, are you gonna pick the presents?
Option.
That one's for Daddy. Do you want to find one that's for Sylvie?
Sorry.
Is that one for Sylvie?
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy, do you want to help her?
Okay.
I had her open that piano.
Okay, over here, Syl. There's one over here. Come and open this
Look.
one. I think you already started opening it.
Come open this present. Sylvie, here.
That's
Open
a big
that.
one, isn't it?
Rip, open this one.
Okay.
That one's for Daddy.
She
Yeah.
wants that one.
Okay, bring that one to Daddy then.
Oh,
Oh.
big girl. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you. Okay, here, Sylvie, open this one. Whoa, what's that?
Wow. Oh, that's cool. That's from Auntie Arlene. Oh. Wow.
Play with that.
Can you say thank you, Santa? Thank you, Auntie Arlene. Sylvie, can you do a giant smile at Mummy? Giant smile. Giant smile. Tiki tiki tiki.